Hello, welcome to the VVSD quick tutorial on how to set up and use the 3CX softphone system. Once your 3CX account is provisioned, you will receive an email from the 3CX phone system which contains useful information along with two file attachments. To begin, let's get logged into the 3CX web client. First, open your 3CX welcome email and scroll down to step number 2. You can access the web client by clicking on this link here. You can also copy and paste or type the URL into the Chrome web browser exactly as it is shown. Once you are at the 3CX web client login page, use the login credentials that are provided to you in step 2 of the welcome email. Then click Login. To make things easier, you may copy and paste your username and password into the appropriate fields. Now that you are logged into the 3CX web client, we recommend that you change your password. Your new password must be at least 10 characters long and contain at least one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, and a number. To change your password, click on the user icon, then click Change Password. Next, enter your current password into the old password field. Then type your new password into the new password field and then again into the confirm new password field on the bottom. Then click OK. Once the password is successfully changed, 3CX will log you out. Log in again using your 4-digit extension number along with your new password. To make a phone call using the 3CX web client, go to the People page by clicking on the People link in the menu on the left. If you do not see the menu, you can click on the menu button and it will appear on the left. Once you are on the People page, you can search for an internal employee by typing their name or extension in the search bar. To call them, you can click on their avatar circle or on the phone icon. You may receive a message prompt asking to allow 3CX to use your microphone. Click Allow. To call an external number, simply click on the number pad icon. Then type the area code along with the 7-digit phone number into the number pad on the screen. Then click Call. When you wish to end the call, click on the End button. When receiving a call with a 3CX web client, you will hear the incoming call notification along with a visual notification on the screen. Simply click on the Answer button to answer the call. You may also choose to decline the call or divert the call to voicemail by clicking on the associated buttons. When you wish to end the call, click on the End button. To check if you have received any voicemail messages, look in the 3CX menu next to Voicemail. If you have received any voicemail messages, you will see a blue circle containing a number which indicates the number of messages that you have pending. To review your messages, click on Voicemail and it will bring you to the voicemail inbox. To play a voicemail message, click on the Play button. You may also click on the Download button to download the message audio file to your computer. If you choose to, you may call the person who left you a message by clicking on the phone icon. To delete a single message, click on the Delete icon next to the message. You may also delete multiple messages by clicking a check mark into the boxes next to the messages. Then click the Delete icon at the top of the list. Thank you for watching this 3CX tutorial video. If you have any questions or issues regarding 3CX, please contact the VVSD Help Desk by emailing helpdesk@vvsd.org or by calling 815-372-6222.